Life is just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner.
Good morning. We are coming to you from Tank Ride again, where Sunrise, the TV show, will be recording here. Lumi's a bit cold. It's only 9 degrees outside. How are you feeling, Lumi? It's only 5:30 in the morning, so we're a little bit cold, a little bit tired. We've only had about 3 hours sleep. But hopefully we'll go on a ride on a tank today instead of just recording them. And we'll be on TV. TV puts on 10 pounds, so hopefully I look skinny.
Good morning, everyone. Extra quiet for just a sec. Thank you so much. We really appreciate everyone coming down early. I've said it to a couple of people, but we know how early it is, so thank you very much. It's our job to show everyone every half an hour why this is such a cool place. So yeah, you're all part of it. Thank you very much. My name's Sean and this is Sam.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you very much for coming along. Appreciate it. Good morning.
And Chris on camera as well, he makes you all look good. Thank you. And so after this one, every half an hour we do something a bit different, but we want you to enjoy the experience as well. So yeah, just be guided by Tim on what we can and can't do. But yeah, it'll be fun.
None of the tanks are loaded this morning, so you're all safe. Yeah. Right, especially this one. How good that look on my team.
Yeah, good morning, guys. This is something that I had never pictured visiting in my life. It's a place that I didn't know existed until I got an email about it 2 days ago. It's called Tank Ride. Look at the crowds that have come to get involved. This guy, Tim, is a nutcase. You're going to meet him through this morning. 5 years ago, he set this up. He has 20 armoured vehicles. You can see some of them over there. These are actual, legitimate tanks, and you can ride them. You can come here. Apparently, the first ever booking that he had here was a hen's party. So there's going to be a lot of stories. We can't wait to find out more about it. It's going to be fascinating. Let's do an early check of your weather.
Great job, everyone. We'll keep you so extra quiet while he reads the weather, and then we're back on camera. So they're showing a map on screen right now. Great job.
$1 million. They are real tanks. I'm going to show you inside them. We're going to show you them in action. There's one that goes through the waters as well because there's a dam out there. So it's going to be a fascinating morning. Who's ready to get some tank action happening? Oh yeah, so yeah, I don't think we get ratings officially for Fiji, but why not? Let's give it a go. What's your name?
Eli.
And is your mum and dad in Fiji at the moment?
Yes.
Do you want to say hello to them in the camera?
Hello.
Oh, that was a heartfelt message. A beautiful, touching moment between a son. Do you have a guardian? Is Grandma here somewhere? Oh, Grandma's at the back. It's all right, Grandma's here. We're safe. We're fine. Grandma was just doing donuts in the tank before. Good morning, everyone. Which makes it even funnier. This is Tim. We're at a place called Tank Ride, Tambourine on the Gold Coast. This place is phenomenal. I've never seen anything like it. Tim, tell Australia what you do here.
Yeah, we do tank rides, so people can come in and all these vehicles run, so that's our point of difference. They can hop in a vehicle and off they go, so a very unique experience.
And this is your partner, Paige, over here.
Yeah, she's the woman that makes me do it all.
Paige, now this is true, I'm not making this up. He once called Paige and said, and this is the quote, "Honey, I just bought a missile launcher off Facebook." Wow, what did you say to that?
I said, of course you did.
So this is it right here. Tell us about that. You bought that from Facebook.
Yeah, Facebook buy, swap and sell. This is a reindeer track missile launcher, the only one in the whole country.
As used in the Gulf War.
Absolutely, early 90s, and so this is a surface-to-air missile launcher, completely decommissioned, I might add, so it can't take out planes anymore, but it's currently in restoration, so we've got a new motor for it, and it is running at the moment, but we're really excited to add this to our whole itinerary of tanks that you can ride in.
They are incredible, and they're the real deal. Get up close, you see how powerful, how strong these machines are. Obviously very, very expensive as well. Have you thought about using that as an Uber on weekends, just to get a bit of extra coin to pay them off? Guys, I'm currently on a 6-wheel amphibious vehicle. We are at a place called Tank Ride. It's about an hour from Brisbane, an hour from the Gold Coast, and we're here with Tim because you can come here and actually ride these real tanks. Tell us about this one, Tim.
This one is one of only 2 in Australia. It actually floats, but it weighs 10.5 tonne. So believe it or not, it will float, I hope. And we can take take 18 people on board. So we've got a heap of kids and...
Give us a wave, guys. Look at the crowd. They're really excited to check this out. We love that. We've got Brooklyn over there, and we've got Jackson down the front. Way to guarantee you get a close-up. We're a Channel 7 news hat. Give him another close-up. Very clever. Very strategic. All right, are you ready to go?
Oh, I hope so. Are you guys ready?
You ready, everyone? Okay, we're doing that. We're going to get our cameraman Leggy's going to get off. You're going to see us go through the water, but first we'll do your weather. Yes, I can hear you guys.
You're in the dam.
Oh, here it goes. I can hear you guys. We just had a little bit of dropout because I am currently on an amphibious tank. Just a standing there. So wait a minute. But we're about to go into the dam. This is incredible. Everyone ready? It's a place called Tank Ride, about an hour from Brizzy. Look at this. Have you ever wondered where those AFL phones from the boxes at the stadiums come from? There they are. Get Eddie Betts on the ball. All right, here we go, guys. Here we go. Are you guys ready? This is an amphibious vehicle. They have 20 armored vehicles here. This is incredible. Now, Tim, he's the madman who's driving the tank. He told us that once we go in, we're all going to be safe. But if we're lucky, he's going to do it. Know it. This. Oh, hold on, everyone. Oh, my God. This is crazy. Wow, these are legit vehicles that have been to wars. They are now available for you to ride on the Gold Coast. This is amazing. There are so many toys to show off here. They've had a wedding here. We're going to talk to you about that soon. They've had hens nights here. Obviously, great birthday parties. Wow. We are loving this. He's going to do a few dollies as you do on the Gold Coast. But we're going to be back. But this is sensational.
Yeah, and it can be going in the background sort of thing. Yeah, I'll pull this up because that'll be later.
How was it, Sam? Amazing, loved it. So good. Come and do it. Perfect timing for Father's Day.
Yeah. Are you going to want that to drive?
How was it?
I can warm it up now.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
I saw you yawning on there.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, that's funny. Tired.
So this is the only Centurion bridge laying tank in the world that still works, Tim says. And we're gonna go see it live in action. We've seen it a few times already, but this time we're gonna see the unfolding. We've always seen it fold up. Pretty massive. Lumi's a bit cold. You cold? Hot chocolate wasn't enough for her.
It's incredible the toys that this man has. This is Tim at a place called Tank Ride. It's an hour from the Gold Coast, an hour from Brizzy, and you can come here and actually ride in real tanks that have served in wars over many years for a number of different countries. It's actually incredible. Perfect idea for Father's Day or a hens night. They've had hens nights here, hens parties, and apparently the girls have had the time of their lives. So really spectacular stuff. We're going to show you some more tanks coming up soon, but that one, if you want to Google image it, the Centurion bridge laying tank. Are you impressed, everyone? Do you like that? It's spectacular. Let's check your weather. He has a bridge prepared. Round of applause, guys. Pretty spectacular. They are not cheap, those parts as well. So well done to Tim for making this possible because people are loving experiencing this. It books out very quickly, so I'd recommend it. Tank Ride here in Tamboree. But for now, over to you, Koshi.
Yeah, it's a convenient machine, isn't it? Build your own bridge.
Go back to Sam Mac in Tamborine, Queensland. I mean,
Tank Commander.
this is just the perfect place for a hens party.
It is, and they do have heads parties. They've had weddings here, Sam. It's a really amazing spot where they have 20 armoured vehicles. It's called Tank Rides, about an hour from Brizzy or an hour from the Gold Coast. Tim runs the place. It's been going for about 5 years. Tim, whenever you're ready, go for it, my friend. This is called the Sabre, this tank. It's from around 1972. Whoa. And as you can see, it zips around. So 1972, when this one was made, it was actually the fastest.
Holy crap.
I win.
Yeah, you do win.
An intense low and front generating powerful winds, heavy showers and highland snow in Tasmania. Very striped Perth and Darwin, sunny and a top of 32. All right, Tim, I'm just going to give you the microphone while I get up here. Can you tell us about this one?
Absolutely. This is a Centurion gun tank. These tanks actually served in Vietnam. This particular one weighs 54 tonne and has a bulldozer blade on the front of it. So it was actually used to prepare for the bridge laying tank. If there was trees or anything that wasn't level, that's what they'd use this tank for.
It's amazing. So for people watching this, number one, I'm sure one of the most common questions is how do you get these legally into Australia so you can do this?
Well, believably, there was 105 of these sold to the public by one gentleman. His name's Tim Vibert, so Tim's a great name as well.
Yeah.
And so from there, they actually got sold out in the late 80s. And if you're lucky enough to own one of these, you're in a really cool position.
Very cool. We're going to let you get into spot because we're going to show you one more thing here. But this is just an experience that I could never have even imagined. I thought we'd have like 1 or 2 tanks. You might get to sit in them and go a couple of meters. But you can actually, as you just saw, have a real experience what it will be like to be zipping around in these incredible vehicles. As I said, they have over 20 armoured vehicles here. And if you come to a place like this, there's one thing you've got to do legally. Let's cue some music, guys, because this is something that has to be done. If I could turn back time, make some noise. I've always wanted to do this. Everyone wants to release their inner share. And after what this went through yesterday, I deserve this moment. Make some noise.
Fire!
I can't get it up. Can't get it up. It's gone flash.
Got tablets for that.
That's to say nothing.
Cheetos were a bad idea.
Oh, great job, everyone. Well done. Thank you.
Oh, we did it.
my God.
I don't know what happened.
Well
I did
done.
it right. Yeah, I did it right.
Well done, Tim.
When I jumped
That
out.
was amazing.
Hey, the quote of the century, guys, I can't get it up. That's
Thank you, everyone. That was great.
Cheers, guys.
Thanks, Tim. We're off.
Absolute pleasure.
Another great
no
one.
worries. Well done.
Another great one.
Oh,
I got
cool.
everything. It's pretty viral.
Oh, wonderful. Yeah, man. That'll create another episode for you.
That was awesome, huh? Yeah. Did you have fun? Yeah. We gotta go now. We have to leave a bit early because Lumi's got to go to school and I've got to go to work. So we only came out to have a look. Tim, thanks for having us again. That was fantastic. 5 minutes of fame. Should have brought my Outback Polaks cup. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Oh no, look what happened to the car to me. Riding the tank, he's made the car dusty again. I'll have to wash it.
Bills.
Yeah, we'll send him the bill for the car wash, eh? I just washed it on the weekend. Thanks, Tim. Thanks a lot. See you next time.